Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another motor showcase video on the Zero Bros channel. Today, we will be installing the TST Industries Fender Eliminator. So, as you can see, these are the parts given to us. Of course, there are other bolts and nuts to be installed together with this. This part right here, it should be installed right underneath. And this is the plate holder. Okay, to start off with the installation, we have to remove the back seat. And these two bolts over here for this part. And there are two other screws to remove the rider seat. So right now, as mentioned, we are removing these two bolts that holds this panel over here. And another two bolts which holds the rider seat. So why do you need to remove this panel? The pillion seat and the rider seat is also to actually gain access for the 4 bolts that removes the stock plate holder. On this part, to remove the tray, you have 2 push pins on 2 sides. So once you remove the tray, you can actually shift out the wiring harness. As mentioned, the 4 bolts that holds the stock plate holder over here. So before we remove the fender, let me just talk about the wiring. So over here is the wires for the signal lights, which will be removed, and after this we'll move on into the plate number light, which is over there. So now that all the wiring for the lighting is out, we can carry on to remove the bolts and pull off the stock plate holder. So right now we'll be removing the 4 bolts. After this, we'll be shifting out and squeezing the wires through as we pull out the stock plate holder. These 4 bolts would be a little bit tough to unscrew, as it's a Loctite nut from the factory. And the plate holder is off. So before we put on the plate holder, as you can see over here, these are the parts that comes in the package. You have the plate holder over there and the back piece. So you have 2 screws to be put on, a screw, a washer, and then another washer, and the Loctite nut. That's one part of it. Onto the other side. And it's ready to be put on now. So on the top part, right below the pillion seat or the back seat, you are given this 4-piece of plastic piece, and as you can see, there's an arrow shape which is to be adjusted and to face forward so that the fender eliminator will be properly adjusted below. As you can see, the 4 plastic pieces are properly installed, so this is how it should be. What are the plastic pieces for is to actually level the screws together. So in the next shot, we will show you the final outcome of the TST Fender Eliminator on the Yamaha R3. So this is the complete look of the Fender Eliminator from TST installed on the Yamaha R3. The only thing left to do now is to put on the license plate number. I really like this look as it's more sportier, aside from the stock plate holder which is extended, very long looking. And if you can see, what's missing here and also in the package is actually the signal light holder, and not in the video as well is actually the wiring of the signal lights. It's because we'll be installing the TST tail lights with integrated signal lights as well in the next video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, also follow our Instagram and Facebook page. Always ride safe. Peace.